Pretty much started during COVID, really. I think everyone was pretty bored, stuck at home all the time. So I thought, well, I'll give my lawn a bit of a renovation, see what I can do with it. And from there, to be honest with you, it becomes a bit addictive. You get one bit sorted, and then the next bit you want to do a little bit better. You read a bit more, and then you want to do something else, etc., etc. Before you know where you are, you're spending thousands on mowers and equipment, and you just get a bit of a passion for it. So yeah, I enjoy it, to be fair. It's also a bit of a stress release. You can get out in the garden, especially in the nice weather. It's lovely to be out there. There's, you know, you can hear the birds singing, and you're there, and there's no stress or strain, and it's a real good thing to get into, to be honest. I never thought I would, never really been into gardening, but yeah, absolutely love it, absolutely love it. Well, I bought an Allett, so I started seeing that you did the lawn academies. Obviously, the more you look at online to see how you can improve, you get links to Allett stuff and different bits and pieces. So you think, well, actually, there's a lot more to it than just going out and mowing your lawn. It's actually quite scientific in terms of fertilisers, in terms of seasons, in terms of different grass types, in terms of actually what you put on and when you put on, and how you can actually over-fertilise or under-fertilise, and etc., etc. So rather than sort of just learn online, it's always good to see someone face-to-face. You can come to this type of event, which is brilliant, by the way. You can speak to the people. They're more than willing to answer your questions. They're very professional, very friendly. And I'm not being told to say this at all, but I would thoroughly recommend anybody coming on one of these events, whether you're professional, an amateur, whatever, any sort of interest in lawns at all, you will learn absolutely loads, and you'll go away thinking, right, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do the other. So absolutely brilliant. Blimey, a lot. Right from the very beginning, the whole cycle of lawns, the different types of grasses. I'll give you a classic example. I was one for, like, let's put some fertiliser on, and I've learnt, you know, don't put nitrogen on in the summer, put it on, you know, in the spring, don't put it too late in the season. So getting the different sorts of fertiliser, but not just that, you know, different little tips like, you know, when to overseed, when not to overseed, how much to overseed. You know, you can easily get, I mean, I had no idea that Puana only lasted a year, if I'm honest with you. I thought it was just forever. So actually I'm quite relieved at that, because it's a pain in it. I nearly swore then, but it's actually a nuisance, and you know, it's nice that I only use it. But you honestly, there's too much to say in a short interview like this about what you learn. It is just amazing. I quite like the talk this morning, if I'm honest. I mean, this practical is good because you can see it in action, but the talk this morning was so informative, and you can actually almost visualise how you would do things in your own lawn with what's been told to you during the presentations. So you know, all of it's good, but if I was choosing personally, that would be for me, would be the first bit, the presentation, where it goes through the whole cycle of everything. Well, not just Richard, everybody's been absolutely fantastic. Yes, 100%. Value for money. I think the day's been brilliant. We've been lucky with the weather, but I think even if it wasn't great weather, I think it would still be a fantastic event. So informative, so much knowledge that they partake to you, and just a brilliant day. Absolutely recommend it.